In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Zoho. Whether you're updating your contact information or just want to switch to a new email, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effortlessly make this change without any hiccups. First, let's head over to the Zoho website. Open your preferred web browser and type in zoho.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Once logged in, you'll land on the Zoho home screen. Look towards the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the profile icon. Go ahead and click on My Profile. This will take you to your personal profile settings. Next, you'll want to access your account settings. So find and click on My Account. This is your central hub for managing all settings related to your Zoho account. Here you can update passwords, manage security settings, and of course, change your email address. Now, within My Account, look for the option labeled Email Address and click on it. This section allows you to manage all the email addresses associated with your account. If you've previously added multiple emails, this is where they would appear. To add a new email, look for the option to Add Email Address and click on it. A small window or section should appear prompting you to type in the new email address you'd like to associate with your account. Make sure to enter the complete email address accurately to avoid any errors in communication or login issues. Once you've carefully typed in your new email address, click on the Add button. This action begins the process of associating the new email with your account. You might receive a verification email to confirm the new address, so keep an eye on your inbox. With the new email added, you're now ready to set it as your primary email address, which will make it the default contact for your account. Locate and click on the option that says Set as Primary Address next to the new email. If prompted, confirm your choice by selecting Make Primary. Doing this updates your account to recognize the new email as your main point of contact. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your email address in Zoho. Remember, it's important to ensure that all necessary changes and important contacts are informed about your new email address. If you ever need to revert or update again, feel confident returning to these steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.